How to add read more in a text on your WIX website. So right here on the WIX website editor, you want to make sure you have the section for the text. And then right here you want to click on the plus button named add elements right here at the top left of your screen. And then you're going to click on the text. And then choose on collapsible text right here. And then you can choose whether it will be the read more, open full article, or show more. And you can also change it later. Choose one of them. For example, this one. After you customize it as you like, you want to click on this change text. And then you can choose what does the button do, the read more do. If you choose on expand, all of the paragraph will refill right away. Or if you choose on the read more link, so when anybody click on the read more, it will take them to another page or another link. For example, if I choose on expand right here, if I go to preview right here, and then choose on read more on my text, it will refill all the text. Or if I choose on the link right here, and then choose the link that I want to refer with. For example, you can take the clicker all the way to another page right here by choosing on which page, on choose a page, and to another page. Or if you want, for example, want to go to your YouTube channel, you can choose on the web address and paste your YouTube channel link. And then on how does it open, you can choose on new window or current window. I choose new window right here. And then click done. When I choose to preview my website, and then I click on the read more, it will automatically take the clicker to my YouTube channel. And if I go back right here to the editor, you can also change the layout of the text by clicking and click on the layout button right here and choose how the text to be appear, collapse, or just showing all of them. And you can also choose this one to customize it as you like. You can also change the design of it, and on the change text, you can also customize the read more. For example, I want to make it to see more, and there you go. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.